I'm Ryan Egbert. I own Sine Calibration School. I'm from the military programs. That's kind of the thing that people tell you in Cal, whether you were military or not. But I really kind of fell in love with teaching, I guess. I don't know. But really enjoyed that. And then when I retired out of there, I came to the civilian side, and there was no structure, and I was surprised. There's no schooling, no certification, like certification paths and stuff like that. And so 2018, wildly enough, I decided to start a school for some reason. I got crazy one day, and the rest is somewhat history. We've been doing this for 5 years. We train most of the large entities out there, most of the Department of the Defense and contractors, but not active duty. I'm hoping to do that sometime soon. But the whole goal is to give all of you a way of learning all the way through. That's our whole goal. And we're kind of trying to be an independent third body that can come out and the way that we're teaching is by the book. If you see some discrepancies between what we're teaching and what's being done out there, because I know it can be different sometimes, then you know the correct way, right? And then you can kind of go forward.